Gen Z's favorite sport? Scroll, pin, save. From curating the perfect vision board for the new year to hoarding aesthetic mood boards for a dream house they might own in 20 years, Pinterest is the place for inspiration. But did you know you could actually make money doing that? Yep, Pinterest isn't just for DIY hacks and cottagecore outfit inspo. It isn't just a social media platform, it's a search engine. And with over 450 million people scrolling every month, it's where people actively hunt for ideas, inspiration, and even products to buy. And here's the ultimate hack. If you know how to play your pins right, you can drive serious traffic and earn commissions from affiliate links. In this video, we'll talk about how Pinterest affiliate marketing actually works, how to succeed, major mistakes to avoid, and even look at some real examples. At its core, Pinterest affiliate marketing is the process of promoting products through affiliate links on Pinterest. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Easy enough, right? People come to Pinterest looking for ideas, inspiration, and solutions to problems, whether it's finding the perfect outfit, planning a wedding, or decorating their home. Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers, but only if you approach it strategically. To turn pins into profit, you'll need more than just a few random posts. That's where a solid game plan comes in. Lucky for you, we've got one ready to go, and we'll take it step by step, making it as easy as possible for you to understand. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The key to success on Pinterest, or basically any online platform, is choosing the right niche. But unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest is a high-intent search engine where people come ready to take action, and they're already in a buying mindset. That's why affiliate marketing thrives here. Some of the best performing niches on Pinterest take advantage of the platform's highly visual and inspirational nature. Fashion and beauty is a top contender, attracting everyone from aspiring makeup gurus perfecting their glam to whimsical cottagecore girlies curating the ultimate dreamy aesthetic. Whether it's finding the perfect outfit inspo, mastering a viral makeup technique, or discovering skincare must-haves, Pinterest is their go-to hub. Home decor and DIY is another strong niche, as people love pinning room makeovers, organization hacks, and furniture recommendations to create their dream spaces. Next up, the fitness junkies and wellness enthusiasts who make health and wellness a powerhouse category. From weight loss hacks and workout routines to nutrient-packed recipes, this niche thrives on Pinterest, where users are constantly searching for ways to level up their health and fitness game. Yeah, similarly, food and recipes performs exceptionally well, as meal prep ideas, baking hacks, and diet-friendly dishes keep Pinterest's food-loving audience coming back for more. And because Pinterest caters to just about everyone, including those looking to grow their wealth, personal finance is a valuable niche, covering budgeting strategies, side hustle ideas, and money-saving tips. Meanwhile, travel and lifestyle remains a fan favorite, with users searching for packing lists, travel guides, and photography gear recommendations to plan their next adventure in style. Each of these niches taps into Pinterest's core strengths, visual discovery and aspirational content, making them ideal for affiliate marketing success. But choosing a niche isn't just about demographics, it's about sustainability. If you're not passionate about a topic, staying consistent will be tough, so pick something you genuinely enjoy. The goal is to make content creation feel like a fun side project, not a chore. And one last tip, keep your content focused. A Pinterest page that jumps from hair care to car reviews to cooking tips will struggle to gain a loyal audience. A clear, cohesive niche builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your Pinterest account. Step 2. Set up a business account. To succeed with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you need more than just a personal account, you need a Pinterest business account. This unlocks essential tools like Pinterest Analytics, which tracks your top-performing pins, and rich pins, which automatically pull extra details from your website to make your content more appealing. And with Pinterest ads, you can also boost your reach when you're ready to scale. So if you're serious about making money on Pinterest, switching to a business account is a must. Start by signing up or logging into Pinterest, then upgrade to a business account. It's free and gives you access to key analytics and ad tools. Next, optimize your profile. By updating your name to reflect your brand, writing a professional bio that highlights your niche, adding a website link including contact details if you're open to brand collaborations, and finally, uploading a logo to establish brand identity. Then we move on to the resources page on your blog, which acts as your affiliate hub. This is where you'll list your top recommended products with embedded affiliate links. For example, if you're promoting rosemary oil, create a dedicated section linking to the product on Amazon. Make sure your blog posts naturally incorporate affiliate products. Hyperlink relevant items within helpful content so readers can seamlessly click through and shop without feeling like they're being sold to. And to build momentum, create 20 to 30 high-quality pins in your first week. You can use Canva to design Pinterest-optimized images. We already mentioned that Pinterest is a search engine, so SEO also matters. Optimize your pins with relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. To increase discoverability, test different pin designs to see what resonates most, analyze performance using Pinterest analytics, and use relevant tags to improve reach. And now it's time to reveal the secret hack for 2025. Pinterest is pushing video content, so take advantage of video pins to boost engagement. Start by creating short-form explainer videos, customize captions and overlays for a polished look, and schedule video pins alongside static images for variety. Once you've done all that, it's time to find high-converting affiliate products. Instead of guessing, research what's already trending on Pinterest. By choosing the right products and using Pinterest strategically, you can turn your pins into passive income streams. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. To make money on Pinterest, you'll need to join affiliate programs that allow either direct linking or blog-based promotions. Choosing the right program depends on your niche and audience. One of the easiest affiliate programs to join is Amazon Associates, making it a great starting point for beginners. However, it comes with some drawbacks: low commission rates, and a strict requirement to make a sale within 180 days, or your account will be deactivated. For fashion and beauty creators like to know, it is a highly sought-after platform, but getting accepted can be competitive due to its exclusive nature. But if you're looking for a diverse range of brand partnerships, Impact and ShareASale are excellent choices, as they connect you with companies across multiple industries. Meanwhile, creators focused on handmade, unique, or vintage items may find success with the Etsy affiliate program, which caters specifically to that niche. And for fashion influencers promoting trendy, fast fashion pieces, programs like Shine and Fashion Nova remain popular options with high engagement potential. Amazon's affiliate program is a fantastic starting point, but it's not an instant approval. You need to meet certain criteria. The best way to increase your chances of acceptance is to establish a professional-looking media brand, not just a Pinterest account. A simple, well-structured website can make a huge difference in your Pinterest affiliate marketing success. Not only does it boost credibility, but it also increases the likelihood of getting approved by Amazon Associates and other affiliate programs. Luckily, building a website is easier than ever with AI-powered tools and website builders that offer affordable, beginner-friendly solutions. Step 4. Create high-quality pins. Your pin design is everything when it comes to succeeding on Pinterest. They need to stand out in a crowded feed. If they don't catch attention, they won't get clicked, no matter how great your content is. To create effective pins, use bright, eye-catching colors instead of dull or washed-out images. Choose clear, readable fonts. Small or overly decorative text can be difficult to read, especially on mobile. And remember, Pinterest favors vertical pins, so always design your graphics in this format for maximum visibility. Branding consistency is also key. Stick to a cohesive color scheme and design style so your pins become instantly recognizable over time. Step 5. Pin consistently. But if you only post once a week, your reach will be severely limited. The platform favors users who pin regularly, meaning the more frequently you post, the better your chances of being seen. Aim to post 5 to 10 fresh pins per day to keep your account active and maintain a steady flow of engagement. To maximize your results, use Pinterest trends to identify what's currently popular and create pins around trending topics. And don't just pin your own content like an amateur. Mix in other relevant pins from your niche to keep your profile looking natural and engaging. This not only boosts your visibility in Pinterest's algorithm, but also increases the chances of other users saving and sharing your content. Step 6. Drive traffic to your links. There are 2 main methods for sharing affiliate links on Pinterest, each with its own benefits and risks. The first method is direct linking, where your pin leads straight to the affiliate product. This works well for highly visual niches like fashion, home decor, and beauty, where users are more likely to click and purchase based on aesthetics alone. However, direct linking carries risks. Some affiliate programs, like Amazon Associates, have strict policies against excessive direct linking. Violating these rules could lead to account suspension or removal from the program. The second method is linking to a blog or landing page, where you create a blog post featuring detailed product recommendations, and use Pinterest to drive traffic to it. This approach works best for in-depth reviews and comparisons. While it requires more effort up front, it's a safer long-term strategy that reduces the risk of violating affiliate policies while also building trust and credibility with your audience. Now that we're done with the basics, let's look at the common pitfalls to avoid when it comes to Pinterest affiliate marketing. Many beginners assume Pinterest affiliate marketing will bring instant results, but the reality is quite different. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, where content can go viral overnight, Pinterest requires patience. Pins often take weeks or even months to gain traction because of Pinterest's long content lifespan. This means consistent posting is key, even if you don't see immediate results. Those who quit too soon miss out on the snowball effect that Pinterest can create over time. Another thing beginners skip is keyword research, which means their pins never show up in search results. To fix this, use Pinterest's search bar to find the most searched terms in your niche. Then strategically place these keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names to increase visibility and organic reach. Yes, affiliate marketing is about earning commissions, but spamming direct links can hurt your engagement. Pinterest's algorithm favors valuable content, not just sales pitches. If every pin you post leads directly to an affiliate link, you risk losing reach or even getting flagged for spam. A smarter strategy is to mix in helpful content, such as blog posts, in-depth guides, or product comparisons that build trust with your audience while strategically including affiliate links. So, is Pinterest affiliate marketing worth it? Does it work? The short answer, yes, but not overnight. Some users report massive success, while others struggle to convert their views into actual sales. Some started with 0 followers, optimized their SEO, and now get thousands of clicks while it took others a year. But once they figured out what works, the money started coming in. At the end of the day, Pinterest affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But with the right strategy, patience, and consistency, it can turn into a long-term passive income stream. Treat it like a business, not a hobby. Optimize your pins, focus on SEO, test different designs, and most importantly, don't give up too soon. So, are you ready to start making money with Pinterest? Let us know in the comments what niche you're thinking about. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.